in front of the about 5 seconds. While pressing the button 1 of the Y Evo, at the same time press 4 times the button 2. Release both buttons. Now the Y Evo LED emits a short flash every 2 seconds. Press and retain pressed the button to be programmed of the original remote control till the white LED will switch on as a fixed light. Now release the button. Emit now the BFTO using a pin rear height button according to the new While Faac remote control LED flashes, place it in front of Y Evo at a distance of 5 cm and press the button to be programmed until the Y Evo white LED will change the flash mode faster and color blue for a reconfirmation of the correct code learning. While the blue LED is flashing, press the button of Y Evo where you want to program the code just learned.